Hi, it's Michael LaFido, author of the book Luxury Listing Specialist and founder of the Luxury Listing Specialist certification. In this video, we're going to be talking about the importance of a strong luxury division, whether it be from the franchise, from the individual brokerage, or from the team approach. Having a dedicated luxury division, why it's really important if you're looking to increase your average sale price and dominate selling high-end and luxury homes in your market. So let's talk about the old way of having a luxury division. The old way of having a luxury division, which, by the way, many franchises still believe is their default luxury division. But the old way of a luxury division is just having a dedicated logo, a different logo, or perhaps a different sign for your real estate office or team to the luxury division in front of a luxury home. That's the old way. Okay, different logo, maybe a different sign. Where I'm recommending the new way of having a dedicated luxury division, better training, better resources, perhaps the luxury listing specialist certification, which many branches and many luxury firms have included our certification as part of their luxury division. So better training, better resources, better qualified agents. That's really what a strong luxury division is all about, giving your agents the advantage to sell that unique or high-end property over maybe another firm in your town or your community that just has a different logo and a different sign. So that's really important. I just spoke at an event down in Dallas, and the event sold out in 8 days. You'll see a couple pictures come across. It was on how to break into and sell luxury homes. Sold out in 8 days, and I went out to dinner with someone afterwards, and they were talking about their luxury division, and all it was a different sign and a different logo. That is not a luxury division. I spoke recently at the Who's Who in Luxury Real Estate Conference, and they put out this amazing thick book of Who's Who in Luxury Real Estate. But they're not just about a different logo. They're about better training and resources. And that's really what a strong luxury division is. Better training, better resources, better agents, and luxury listing specialist or another certification part of that qualification process to differentiate their firm from the traditional brokerages in that community. My name is Michael LaFido. If you have any questions, my contact information is below. If you'd like me to talk on a different topic, let me know that as well. Make sure you tune into iTunes or Stitcher for our podcast, which is Luxury Listing Specialist, or go to luxurylistingpodcast.com to listen to almost 50 other episodes that we've had and a lot of exciting ones coming. Michael LaFido, and remember, it's not the market, it's the marketing. Continue to prove others wrong and have a strong luxury division at your franchise, at your brokerage, or at your team module, or if you're an individual agent. Get our certification. More information about it below, Luxury Listing Specialist. We'll talk to you soon. Take care.